New developments in the coronavirus hitting very close to home tonight. Good evening, I'm Mike Bush.
And I'm Ann Allred. Memorial Hospital in Belleville has referred one patient to the Illinois Department of Health over concerns they could have the virus. The hospital says it's following CDC guidelines and screened that patient for the coronavirus. Then the patient went through further lab testing and the results should be back in the next couple of days. With that increased concern that the coronavirus could be in the Metro East, the need for surgical masks is growing.
They're selling out on shelves across the country as people stock up. That takes us to our Jasmine Payute, who has more on this mask shortage. Jasmine?
Mike, this is just a plain dust mask. The mask everyone's looking for is sold out at just about every hardware store, including this one in the Central West End. The question tonight, how are businesses who sell them and who use them keeping up? It's the mecca of masks. The N95 flying off shelves faster than you can put them on.
This is what everybody's wanting. Now, obviously there's different brands, but these are rated apparently for this virus.
The CDC says it's not a matter of if, it's when coronavirus will hit the U.S. To prepare, people are buying these masks in bulk because while they're no guarantee, SSM Health officials say they can help protect you.
Over the last couple of weeks, we were fine. You know, the inventory was coming back in as we sold, and now it's not. That's all I've got left right now, and we are working to try to find more.
Shops like New Market Hardware in the Central West End feeling the effects in more ways than one, as even their mask suppliers are out of masks.
I have a truck coming today that's supposed to have 4 cases on it, but we don't know yet if that's going to happen or not.
And since there's more demand than supply, businesses who actually need the masks for their day-to-day are left exposed.
They're not negotiable really in our line of work, especially considering my employees are exposed to it 8 hours of the day.
Sucheta Batty takes vintage furniture and sands it down until this becomes this.
We do 2 or 3 coats of primer, then we sand it again, and then we lacquer, we spray lacquer on it.
Her employees need the mask to protect their lungs, and she says they're more useful in here than they are out here.
We use them to protect lungs from dust. So yeah, I don't know if they really do the job of protecting you from a virus.
Now, it's still not clear how the coronavirus is spread, and while these masks may help, it's still important to wash your hands and make sure you don't touch any surfaces without using things like sanitizer. Reporting live in the Central West End, Jasmine Payute, 5 on your side.
Meanwhile, at WashU, researchers are working on creating a coronavirus vaccine right in our backyard. Dr. Sean Whelan and his team are trying to help the nearly 80,000 people who have tested positive for the disease. While the spread of the coronavirus might be difficult to fight right now, Whelan says there isn't a lot of cause for concern yet.
You just think it's the common cold.
Exactly. And you should think right now, your probability, if you're infected with something, it's much more likely you have one of the many causal agents of the common cold or something like flu.
Dr. Whelan says most attempts to make a vaccine will fail, but he's holding out hope that he and his team can come up with a solution. If you want to stay on top of the latest developments with the coronavirus around St. Louis and the world, download the 5 on Your Side app.